My dear 6th class students, today we are going to discuss a new topic. That means a new topic. What is the topic name is? Have you completed now? Have you completed total everything? First and second chapter fair notes. How to maintain the fair notes neatly. Next to chapter number 3. Playing with the numbers. Playing with numbers. Playing with numbers means what here? We have the don't play the numbers. Playing with the numbers means the hardcore. We have in the 4th and 5th class divisibility of rules. Divisibility of rules here 2 divisible, 3 divisible, 5 divisible, 7 divisible, like that. Okay na? Once open the page number 29, we have the one chart is there here. This chart up to 100 numbers. Look here. So these numbers here divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 means what? Which are the divisible by 2? 2 is divisible by 2, but 3 is not divisible by 2. Because 3 is not there in the 2 table. Sir, how we can know the divisible by 2? Divisible by 2 condition. How we can know the divisible by 2? Look here. Divisible by 2 means here when we are dividing the any number. We are dividing the any number with 2. We will get remainder 0, that is called as a divisible by 2. So what are the numbers are like that? Suppose if I took the, for example, what is here? Divisible by 2. For example, 4 is there here. For example, I took the 4. 4 you divide with the 2. 2 to the 4. Remainder what here? 0. If your remainder getting the 0, that is called as a divisible by 2. Next to, suppose you have the 12 is there. 12 also divisible by 2. 2 6 is 12. Suppose if I took the 9. So 9, 2. 2 4 is 8. Remainder what? 1. This is not called as a not divisible by 2. When your remainder 0 is called as a divisibility of 2. What do we call? Divisibility of 2. Now look here. These only numbers have the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place. Suppose if I took the 18. 18 is divisible by 2 or not? Why? Because 8 is in the ones place. Like that, these are the numbers are in the ones place. This is also divisible by 2. If they are getting the 2 digits or 3. Suppose the 324. What is the last digit there here? 4. 4 is the word here? Ones place. That means 4 is divisible by 2 now. This total number also divisible by 2. Okay na? Is it clear? So write down this chart. No need to write down this chart. Divisible by 2, write down the condition. Down you have the there now. A number is divisible by 2 that has one of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place. In the ones place you have the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. We can divide by the divisible by 2. For example, here do this there here. What is the do this? R953, 9534, 900. 452 divisible by 2. Also check the actual division. Actual division, look here. Suppose if I took the 953, for example. 953. 953 means what? What is the last digit? Last digit is equal to what here? 3. Last digit is what here? 3. It is not divisible by 2. We can write here. It is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 2. So why? Because 3 is not divisible by 2. Therefore 953 also not divisible by 2. It is means what here? 3 is not divisible by 2. Why? Because in the ones place what we have here? 3. But in the ones place should be numbers what? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Actual division means what here? 953 you divide with the 2. 2 4s are 8, 1, 15. 2 7s are 14, 1, 3. 2 6s are 12. How much here? 1. 1 is remainder we got now. So like that. Okay na? So write down here 953, last digit what? 3. So it is 3 is not divisible by. Why? Because in the ones place we don't have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 953 also not divisible by 2. Remaining problems also 900 also divisible by 2. Why? Because last digit what here? 0. Simply you can write 900. Okay, it is divisible by 2. Reason here, it is divisible by 2 because 0 is in ones place. 0 is ones place. Okay na? Therefore 900 divisible by 2. Okay na? Is it clear? Is it clear now? So remaining all this, whatever the problems are there, in do this you have to do. Next to do this checking with the 3. Only 2 conditions we will finish this 2 conditions. If we finish the divisible by 6, okay, divisible by 6 also we can finish the 3.1 first bit. First divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. For example, I take the example or do this. Okay, turn the page, do this. Page number how much? 30. If I took the 4, 5, 9, 8, 6. Okay, now what is the divisible condition of the 3? 2 condition means what? In the ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are there, it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 3 is a different condition. Sum of digits. Do the sum of digits. Do the sum. 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 6, 32. One check out here. 14, 23, 25, 32. First check out the 32 is divisible by 3 or not. 3 1 ja 3, 0. Remainder what you got? 2. So 32 is not divisible by 3. Divisible by 3? No. Therefore 4, 5, 9, 6. 4, 5, 9, 8, 6 also not divisible by 3. Okay na? This is also not divisible by 3. Is it clear now? For example, the second one is there. If you do the addition, 3 plus 6 is what? 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. For second one, you will get the 21. 21 divisible by 3. Check out the division method. If it is divisible, write down the 21 divisible by 3. There are also total number also divisible. This is the process of the do this. Okay na? Second one divisible by 6. What is the divisible by 6 here? Look here. Divisible by 6 condition what? What is the condition of divisible by 6? Divisible by 6. If a number divisible by 2 and 3, so it is also divisible by 6. If we took the any number, if it is divisible by 2 and 3, we can also divisible by 6. Suppose for example, try this. 7 double 2 4. Check the divisible by 6 or not. So when we are checking the divisible by 6, first we check out with the 2 and 3. This look here. 7 2 2 4 is first divisible by 2. Why? Because in the ones place what here? What is the reason? In the ones place we have 4. Okay. For 2 completed, divisible by 2 is completed. Now checking with the 3. Check with the 3. Sum of digits. Sum of digits. Sum this one. 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. How much? 15. How much you got? 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 3. Check with the 3 table. 3 5 is 15. What is the remainder here? 0. Therefore, total number. What is the total number? 7 2 2 4 also divisible by 3. Okay, so it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Both are the conditions satisfied. So 7224 also divisible by 6. Why? Because it is divisible by 2 and 3. If condition 6 is satisfying, when is condition 6 is satisfied? When it is compulsory divisible by 2 and compulsory divisible by 3. If it is one is not satisfied in the 6 divisible, we cannot divisible by 6. Suppose the any number it is divisible by 2, but if it is not divisible by 3, we can't divisible by 6. That is the process of divisibility of 6. So remaining the divisibility of divisibility problems we will discuss the remaining classes. Okay, now what do you write? You write down the divisible by 2, write down this one matter. Next to divisible by 3. I said no, one do this problem. Remaining the problems you have to do. Next after divisible by 6. I written no, divisible by 6 condition. This you can write, then write down the try this. After the try this, look here. Give 2 example of 4-digit number divisible by 6. You have to create the 4-digit number. Okay, na? Can you give an example with numbers are which is divisible by 6 but not 2 by 3 and why? Okay, na? If you will not get, I will try. Okay. Then after look here 3.1 we will discuss the latter. That means what? 3.1 first bit you have to do. Why? Because check with the numbers are 2 by 3 and 6. Take one number, same process like this. 3.1 first bit same the process, this process only. Okay, na? So this is the today class. Remaining classes will be discussed in next class. One check out.